Streamline your delivery workflow by using filters and zoom in PackageRoute. By default, we'll display critical information on the map, such as live traffic and all stop plots, to help drivers plan their routes. Information displayed on screen can be changed in filters. As deliveries are completed, this makes it easier to pinpoint exact stops or reduce visual clutter. Change your point of view on the map by altering zoom levels. Interact with the map using two-fingered touch controls to get an ideal view of your stops. If you're navigating a new or complex neighborhood, Terrain View may provide greater clarity by using satellite imagery under your stops. Have questions? Contact us through any of these channels, but you'll always get the fastest response through text. Follow us on Facebook and join our ISP community. Thanks for watching. For more information and signups, visit PackageRoute.com.